In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. I saw a lot of comments asking me to manage vibration options on newest iPhone 17 Pro. So today I tested this device to show you exactly how to manage haptic feedback to every feature available. First, go into Settings and scroll to click on Sounds and Haptics available here. Now you need to tap on Haptics under Ringtone and Alert section and apply one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, you can go back and scroll to click on one of those sections. Now each one of them has haptics option at the top, so whichever one you want to set up first, you can do everything the same to ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and default alerts. So just click on the one you want to choose now, hit haptics at the top, and decide if you want to pick one of those patterns. Synchronized haptics with default melody. Scroll all the way down to tap on None and disable it completely for a feature you just chosen. Or my personal favorite, create new vibration. To do that, click on this option here and create your vibration by tapping your pattern on the screen. To stop, hit stop at the bottom right corner. To listen to it, hit play at the bottom left one. Then stop again when you had enough. And to fix it, hit record again, and then tap it one more time. When you're happy with your pattern, tap on Save at the top right corner and name it. Then choose Save in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, my custom pattern was successfully created. Now you'll be able to apply it to all of those options I showed you before. But just in case you won't like it or get bored of it, I can also show you how to delete it. Choose Edit at the top right corner. Tap on this Remove button on the left and confirm your choice by choosing Delete on the right. As you can see, my pattern was deleted. Now go back again and this time scroll to tap on Keyboard Feedback and decide if you want to enable or disable haptics thanks to this switcher. Go back, tap on this switcher next to System Haptics, and thanks to it, switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!